chills and time duration for symptoms appearing at 36 to 48 hours, and ring crescent shaped organism, so it is most likely Plasmodium falciparum. 40 years old housewife is suffering from gastric ulcer and toothache, and safe for her to relieve the toothache would be aspirin, नहीं, टूथ एक के लिए हम लोग क्या देंगे, पैरासीटामोल देंगे, ठीक है, टूथ एक है, पैरासीटामोल वुड बी गिवन टू हर. The next one is a patient presented with acute appendicitis for 18 hours on pathological. What will be seen? तो ये हमारे पास neutrophils in the muscular wall. याद रखें acute appendicitis में क्या होता है, neutrophils in the muscular wall. First heart sound is due to which of the following? तो it is isovolumetric contraction. Clear? Okay, now let's do some high yield points. First heart sound is produced by isovolumetric contraction, that is closure of the mitral and the tricuspid valve, while second heart sound is due to isovolumetric relaxation and closure of aortic and pulmonary valves. Third heart sound, rapid ventricular filling. It is normal in children, in pregnancy and in athletes. ठीक है. The next is fourth heart sound. It is not normal. ठीक है, ये क्या होता है, atrial systole में मौजूद होता है. Ninth clotting factor is replaced by fresh frozen plasma. ठीक है, तो fresh frozen plasma has factor 9 in it, और cryoprecipitate has factor 8 and 13 in it. Clear है. The next is मेन सपोर्ट ऑफ द यूट्रस, तो इट इज़ हमारे पास क्या है, कार्डिनल लेगामेंट है या फिर ट्रांसवर्स सर्वाइकल लेगामेंट. ठीक है. मिक्स जीन इज एसोसिएटेड विथ, तो ये हमारे पास इन बर्केट्स लिम्फोमा, और ये हमारे पास क्या है, 8:14. मैन कवर्ड अनकवर्ड लाइंग इन अ रूम एट 28, तो अनकवर्ड में हमारे पास क्या है, रेडिएशन है. ठीक है, तो अगर तो लाइंग होनी से टेबल वगैरह है तो कंडक्शन हो जाएगी, और फिर टेम्परेचर मेंशन होगा, और फिर हमें हीट लॉस का पूछा होगा नेकेड, तो रेडिएशन कंडक्शन. जब हमें ह्यूमिडिटी मेंशन होगी तो हमने आंसर कर देना है कन्वेक्शन. क्लियर. The next is at the end of the marathon race, a person has high glucagon and low insulin levels. Immediate action of insulin as potassium entry into the cells. ठीक है. अगला है pregnant lady delivered a baby after parturition. Regression of the uterus is due to which? So it is due to lysosomes. Decreased height and slope of action potential is due to hyponatremia. Increase in viscosity of the blood is related to increased mean arterial pressure. Female who had vaginal infection and organism had jerky movements, so it is trichomonas. ठीक है. The next is